Hey, y'all, it's Jamie Deen. Merry Christmas. We're back down at the Lady & Sons, and I brought the professionals today. I got my friend Troy, who is the general manager of the restaurant here. He's also an extraordinary everything. He can cook, he can manage. He's a fantastic bartender, too. So today we're going to do two Christmas drinks. One Christmas drink we're going to do today. We're going to do a caramel apple martini. So I tell you what, while y'all are busy doing that, go ahead, Troy. Show us. What are we working with?
All right, so we're going to use our Old Smoky Tennessee Pecan whiskey. So this is a little bit different of a martini. We love Old Smoky. We love Tennessee. We love moonshine. Any kind of alcohol that tastes sweet and buttery. That's a Lady & Sons Paula Deen drink for us. So we're going to use this, which is one of my favorites. We also have our Caramel Apple Butter by Monin. This is something we can order especially as a restaurant, but you can get on Amazon, anything like that. The best part is the butter. Makes it so creamy, so rich of a drink. And then we use
the butter.
Yes.
Y'all heard that a time or two.
And when we first made this, we were just going to use these two ingredients, but it needed a little something. So what makes it better than a little bit of sour apple for this drink? So
it looks like a brilliant idea.
It is super great. And we also have a dehydrated cinnamon apple. So once that drink gets poured over the top of it, it just blossoms and gives it a little bit more flavor.
Wow.
So what we'll do first, take a little bit of ice, put a mixing glass, and then we're going to take 1.5 ounces of our pecan whiskey. And then we're going to do 1 ounce and 3/4 of sour apple.
Troy, I might need you to talk a little louder.
All right. And then we're going to take also 2 ounces of our caramel apple butter.
Teresa, you'll get this recipe written down for him.
He's already given it to me, and it will be attached to this video. I should have brought Troy the microphone, but I didn't do a good job in my camera duties.
We're all so busy. It's that time of year. Is my Christmas shopping done yet? Or are you done Christmas shopping?
I don't know. I just had stuff delivered here on accident this morning. My wife sent it to the restaurant instead of my house.
Was it for you or for your daughter?
For my daughter. I don't get a Christmas gift, so I just get a smile.
And a bill.
All right, so we're going to pour this over this, kind of lighten back up that apple a little bit.
Yum.
So this drink here just says the holidays. That's what you want it to do. You can make these at home for your family, or when you're sick of your family, when you need a break, whatever you need, it's a great drink for you to try.
All right, let's take it for a test drive. Ooh, hot dog. Freddie, this is a caramel apple martini.
Sounds great.
It is delicious too, y'all. I appreciate you, Troy. Fantastic. I'm Jamie Deen. This is a good drink. We'll see y'all around the bar.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.